What's up, everybody? Today we're heading down to Houston, Texas, where a guy decided to upgrade his shoplifting to waving a machete at people. Because that always ends well. Spoiler alert, it doesn't. On May 16th, Houston PD got a call about a robbery over on Alameda Road. Our suspect, 33-year-old Ernest, reportedly walked into the store, helped himself to some five-finger discounts, and when employees confronted him, he pulled out a machete. That's right, machete. Because when you're caught stealing cheap merch, obviously the right move is to threaten people with jungle gear.
Hey, stop! Stop!
Officers find this guy over on Southmore Boulevard Bridge, hanging out near Highway 288, like he's about to film a rap video or start a boss fight in GTA. They start giving him commands. Drop the knife. Get on the ground. You know, standard stuff when somebody's holding a 3-foot-long chunk of sharpened steel.
Stop! 72 is walking back. Stop! Stop! Put your hands up!
Now, before somebody comments, why didn't they just tase him? Let's pause for a second. You're facing a suspect with a machete advancing on officers. That's not a, let's talk about this situation. That's a, you're about to get hacked up situation. So as he walks towards officers, still holding the machete,
Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
one officer fires. Suspect goes down. No bystanders hurt.
Put your hands up! 10-872, one man out front.
It's exactly what training says you're supposed to do when someone tries to close the distance while armed with a deadly weapon. Suspect was transported to a local hospital in critical condition and passed away a few days later. Actions have consequences, and charging at cops with a machete after robbing a store tends to lead to, well, this.
Stop! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
This was a textbook response to a not very textbook suspect. Houston PD officers tried to de-escalate, gave commands, and used deadly force when it was clear the threat wasn't stopping. Sad ending? Sure, but avoidable. Also, yes, don't rob stores. Don't pull a machete on people, and definitely don't walk or run towards cops with a machete. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more breakdowns of bad decisions and bulletproof vests. Remember, don't bring a machete to a felony.
Anybody got Narcan? Anybody have Narcan?
You smell bacon?